Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a tutoring business in the USA. A step-by-step guide for success. Starting a tutoring business is not only fulfilling, but also a practical way to earn a living while empowering young minds. However, like any venture, success requires proper planning, strategy, and dedication. Below is a comprehensive yet concise step-by-step guide to help you launch your tutoring business in the USA, emphasizing the benefits of planning and operating as a limited liability company, LLC. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. 1. Decide on your services. Determine what subjects or skills you will tutor. Focus on your expertise such as academics, math, English, science, or foreign languages. Test preparation, SAT, ACT, GRE, etc. Specialized skills, music, coding, or public speaking. Research your local market to identify high-demand areas and tailor your offerings to meet those needs. 2. Choose your business model. Select a format that suits your lifestyle and goals. In-person tutoring, ideal for building strong personal connections. Online tutoring, offers flexibility and a wider reach. Hybrid tutoring, combines the best of both worlds. Ensure your chosen model aligns with your availability, resources, and target audience. 3. Set competitive rates. Research local pricing trends to establish fair and competitive rates. Consider factors such as subject complexity, your experience and qualifications, local demand. You might also offer package deals for multiple sessions to encourage long-term commitments. 4. Identify your target market. Define your ideal clients by understanding their needs and demographics. Age groups, elementary, high school, or college students. Educational goals, academic improvement, test preparation, or skill development. Income levels. Adjust pricing to attract clients while maintaining profitability. Specializing in niche areas can help distinguish your business from competitors. 5. Develop a business plan. Create a detailed business plan to clarify your vision and strategy. Include executive summary, business objectives and goals, market research, competitor analysis and target audience insights, service offerings and pricing, clear details about your tutoring services, marketing strategy, methods to attract and retain clients, financial projections, revenue, expenses, and profit forecasts. A solid business plan will serve as your roadmap and can help secure funding if needed. 6. Choose the right business structure. Opting for an LLC is a smart choice for tutoring businesses because it offers limited liability protection, protects personal assets, tax flexibility, choose to be taxed as a sole proprietor or corporation, credibility. An LLC boosts your professional reputation. Consult with a legal or financial advisor to understand state-specific requirements. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show for example like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. So, I'm going to take you through the process step by step. By the end of the video, you will be confident that you formed your LLC in West Virginia exactly how you want it. Okay, so let's get started. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service, which no other company offers. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. Busy is not making any income on that. That is the state getting their filing fee. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are basic, standard, and premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the 3, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. No other business formation service will provide you with a registered agent free for 1 year without any charge like Busy. Next is the standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. So one way or another, you are going to need these services. Alright, let's talk about the EIN business tax number that you can see here in the standard packet. They have their personal bank account. They don't get their business bank account set up right away. What you want is a business bank account set up right away so that you're not doing anything that's going to affect your LLC negatively. The premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the 3 because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. So, if you are in a hurry and want to complete your LLC filing as soon as possible, then you can choose this package. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. If you are satisfied with the name, simply move on to the next part. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide random personal information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. In the next section, Busy will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video. After that, Busy will show you as a member in this section. Then select your name as a member, and use Busy's virtual office address as your business address. You can click on the Next button. After that, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. But if you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Busy will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Busy, and click on Next. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. But for the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, Busy will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, Provide the address of your business where Busy will do additional research on your behalf in order to fill out the license form swiftly so that you don't have to worry about anything else. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy. 7. Register your business. File the necessary documents to register your LLC, such as articles of organization, officially establish your business, operating agreement, outline operational rules and ownership. Check state-specific requirements for any additional registrations. 8. Obtain licenses and permits. Comply with local and state regulations by securing necessary licenses and permits, including business licenses, zoning permits for home-based operations, background checks if required for working with minors. Failure to comply can result in fines or legal issues, so ensure all paperwork is in order. 9. Invest in insurance. Protect yourself and your business with appropriate insurance, such as general liability insurance, covers accidents or property damage, professional liability insurance, guards against claims of negligence, workers' compensation insurance, required if you hire employees. Insurance builds trust with clients and safeguards your financial stability. 10. Market your tutoring business. Implement effective marketing strategies to attract students. Build a website. Showcase your services and expertise. Leverage social media. Promote on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Network locally. Partner with schools or attend community events. Offer promotions, discounts for referrals or first-time sessions. Consistency in marketing will help establish your brand and grow your client base. Final thoughts. Starting a tutoring business can be a rewarding journey if approached strategically. By planning ahead, understanding your market, and positioning yourself as a professional LLC, you set the foundation for long-term success. With careful preparation and passion for teaching, you can create a thriving business that makes a lasting impact on students' lives while achieving your entrepreneurial goals.